Hey, I'm Naomi from the Sunbeam team, and today I will show you how to use the unique accessories of the Sunbeam 4-in-1 air fryer oven. This 10-litre air fryer has multiple accessories to help you maximize the size of this air fryer, perfect for family-sized meals. Each box comes with 3 airflow racks, a rotating mesh basket, a rotisserie handling fork, rotisserie split accessories, and the drip tray. Always ensure to place the drip tray at the bottom of the unit before beginning the cooking cycle. The rotating mesh basket is perfect for no-shake air frying. Lift the latch and flip down to unlock. Open the basket and fill in with your chips. When done, close the basket. Lift the latch back to lock. Nest the ends of the basket onto the handling fork to transfer the basket inside the air fryer. Insert the left bar of the basket inside the left hole. Then the right end of the bar should rest on top of the right hook. The basket should not be able to freely rotate when it's fully engaged. When cooking is done, use the handling fork to remove the basket. Lift the right bar from the right hook, then remove the left bar from the left hole. To use the rotisserie accessories, prepare the handling fork, rotisserie rod, and the 2 rotisserie forks. Insert the rotisserie forks on each side of the rod. Ensure that the rod goes through both holes. Adjust the forks depending on the size of your chicken. Turn the screws clockwise to lock the forks in place. Using the handling fork, place the second groove from the left onto the handling fork, and the right side should rest automatically on the other side. Transfer the chicken on the rod inside the air fryer. Insert the left end of the bar inside the left hole. Then the right end of the bar should rest on top of the right hook. When cooking is done, use the handling fork to remove the basket. Lift the right bar from the right hook, then remove left bar from the left hole.